Hi folks, how you all doing today? We've been waiting for an update about the VESA mount for the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 and 32, upcoming 32 that we are still waiting for. So here it is with prices and all the information that we've been waiting for. Stick with me. Okay, so remember to first of all like, comment and subscribe. Most of all, when you subscribe nowadays you have to hit the notifications bell for more more updates when they come out, unfortunately. Yeah, if you didn't already know that, that's the truth. You have to hit the bell if you want to actually be notified when updates occur. A lot of people have been asking for updates, tweeting me, asking on the comment sections in other videos for comments on this very subject about the VESA mount on the upcoming Cintiq Pros. And yeah, there's already people out there starting to sell homemade VESA adapters for the Cintiq Pros, which I already published a video on that really concerned me. I kind of, because these potentially can break, damaging your Cintiq Pros, damaging your desk, potentially damaging you. There is a warning label on the back of your Ergotron arm saying that this can come up and smack you in the face. Yeah, I have 1, 2, 3 Ergotron arms in my studio. I've got multiple videos on installing Ergotron arms. I get comments virtually every day from people saying, thank you, your videos helped me to buy an Ergotron arm, helped me install an Ergotron arm. I get tweets about this and that's absolutely great. So thank you to anyone who's sent me one of those comments, tweets or Facebook messages. That means an incredible lot. I seriously worry about anybody who's buying one of these homemade VESA adapters. If you're making one, then that's completely up to you. Kudos for the innovation there. But here is the update for the official Wacom VESA mount, which I seriously do believe, you can see it behind me here and I'm sure you've already spotted it, that this is going to be stronger, better, longer lasting, and will come with a warranty, unlike any of the DIY ones that you will already be able to buy off Amazon or off somebody's website, which contains the the little strapline there, no warranty included. So yeah, be very careful of what you buy. That's why I would stick with the official one there. Yeah, so as you can see, this looks a lot more stable than the acrylic ones, the MDF ones that we've been seeing. This is steel. It's formed in a way that the shape of it will add extra support. The engineers, the technicians that I've spoke to have all said that this looks, about 10 times better and will definitely last and take the contortions and rigmarole, the bending, the everyday use of moving your Wacom and tilting it and rotating it and all of that we do as artists. There are some of us that just like to put it on the Ergotron arms and just kind of leave it at a certain angle, but there are a lot of us that move around and kind of stand, sit, and all those good things for our backs. Obviously I broke my back in the beginning of this year and I've made incredible progress in being able to carry on working. So to a lot of us artists, a good Ergotron arm, being able to sit, stand at our desks means a lot. Excuse me for a second, I am going to be publishing a video on a separate official Wacom arm. Stick with me for that one. That's going to be coming out amazingly soon. As you can see here on the diagram, it has 100 by 100 and 75 by 75 for the different type of arms, although you will need an incredibly strong arm, I would recommend the Ergotron HX arm if you're going to use this currently. Although, like I say, Wacom are going to be doing their own arm, so you know, if you can hang on for that arm potentially. Yeah. Also, this has plenty of in and outs, cable holes there. You can see two of them on the diagram. So they will help for feeding your cables through, so you can tie those off on the arm. And this will help you to mount either of the engines on. So yeah, obviously there are a couple of different engine sizes, not in terms of physical dimensions, but in terms of specs. And yeah, a lot of the homemade DIY VESA mounts, yeah, all of them I don't think have this kind of structure for the engine or for the 100 by 100 or 75 by 75 VESA screw hole adapter things. So yeah, this is pretty much the best thought through adapter. But you know, if you're making your own, then I'm not going to go into that. But yeah, so they're the kind of things for this. And like I say, we got costs here, and also this is the manufacturing dates, but we haven't got release dates yet. I would say follow me on Twitter for those. I wouldn't do another video just for release dates unless I have more upcoming information about that. If I do have more information, or when I get one in for review. If I get one in for review before the release date, fingers crossed, then yeah, I'll put release dates on that. So obviously follow and hit the little notification bell. But yeah, that would be great, wouldn't it? There is only one VESA mount, not two. There's one VESA mount that fits the Cintiq Pro 24 and 32. In the past, I assumed there was going to be two different sizes, but yes, one size fits both. Go and check out my video for mounting this, the Wacom Cintiq 27QHD, on this Ergotron arm, on my other Ergotron arms and other tablets on Ergotron arms, on my Ergonomics for Artists playlist, on many things. The best ergonomic chair for digital artists that I'm sitting on right now. I think this stuff is really important. So go and check this stuff out, and I will speak to you guys really, really soon. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and stick with me. So the next video coming up is the official monitor arm from Wacom. Stick with me for information about that. Yeah, if you want an official monitor arm that is apparently more stable with less bounce from Wacom themselves. They've been working on this. Yeah, stick with me for that info coming up.